So Lee and I are here at a park concert in Seoul. Free concert. And 17 is performing, and Reina, and I don't know what another big one, but we don't really know the other ones. We only know 17, and it looks like everyone's here for 17 because as soon as their like name and picture comes up on like the screen, everyone screams. So yes, we are clearly amateurs, as Leah said before, because everyone has blankets and shades and food and everything, and we literally did not come prepared at all.
We're on the grass.
Yes, but it's an hour and a half until the concert starts, so we're just gonna chill.
생겼네요. 아주 보기 좋아요. 근데 어쨌든 다들 콘서트를 즐기려고 오신 거잖아요. 팝켓 콘서트를.
그렇죠.
네.
저는 아까 노래 소리 때문에 잘 못 들었는데 저희 힙합팀 약간 후렴 부분을 여러분들이 불러주신 걸 듣고 싶어요.
불러주세요.
아니 전 듣고 싶다고요.
5, 6, 7, 8
같이 노래 부르고 같이 춤추고 같이 점프할 무대가 남았습니다. 팬분들과 여기 관객분들과 재밌는 이 즐거운 시간에 마지막 한 곡밖에 남지 않았어요. 너무 아쉬운 소식이네요.
근데 이 한 곡이 여러분들이 모두 진짜 제대로 즐길 수 있는 노래입니다. 여러분들 지금 날씨가 굉장히 덥고 찝찝하고
both the cameras. Wow. Oh my goodness. There's our boys.
Everything you could imagine.
Literally, BTS is everywhere. This is what happens when a K-pop idol has their birthday. Oh my gosh, look at all the messages. They're all so beautiful. And make sure not to cover up his face though. This is so cool. This is the BigHit building. It's like super discreet, so we were wondering if it was actually it, but apparently it is. It smells so bad.
Got a lot of freaks that live in Arizona. Now I'm here, sipping on gasoline. Popping the Zan, I got a soda in the promoter seat. Gigi on my folders.
Alright, hi guys. We have had a morning. I have had a morning. Steph is currently on the phone with Jeju Air for me because I'm a dumbass and like submitted my PayPal info wrong or something and they didn't send me confirmation, so I've been got like 4 hours of sleep because I had to turn in my Harvard housing like form and advising form, and I was logged out because I was out of the country, so I was like having my dad like call people at like 3 a.m. my time, and I was like waking up in between naps to like get on the phone. Like I had to take a picture with like a access code or something. It was an ordeal, but we're here now. Finally. It's taken a while. Things have not gone well. We were supposed to be here at 10:30, and then I was trying to get a phone, like a SIM card, and that wasn't working, and I can't get that because I don't own my phone and I rent it, so that was fun. And then I got my period, of course, and my friends were being nice friends and passing me pads and tampons underneath the thing in the Korean restroom in Lotte World. And now we are here in Lotte World. It is Monday, and we have a 3-day weekend, which is really nice because classes start tomorrow. So we decided to just go to the amusement park. So yeah, okay, we're gonna start walking. Okay. Steph has been an angel for me, and everyone has been so nice. And we're, you know what? Everything has gone wrong, but now I think everything's gonna go right. And you know what? We're gonna have a really fun time. And we're at an amusement park. I'm happy. There are rides. Everything's gonna be good. And this has been a really great weekend. And yeah, oh my god, it's indoors. This is so cool. Oh, it's so cute. She got it, she got it, she got it. We're freaking out. Oh my gosh, look, it's inside. Whoa. Oh my god, wait, look at that. I want to ride that so badly. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, there's a little monorail. That's so cute. Lotte World. Oh, there's a show going on. They're getting their makeup done like princesses. Oh! This is the pirate ship ride BTS rode in that Run episode. We're gonna do it. And we're gonna die. Oh my god. Yeah, the end, the end. Roller coaster. Guys, this is weird. Oh fuck. I think we're on a VR ride. We'll see how this goes. Guys, that was so fun! Oh my gosh, it was like a VR ride. And it like took us like in and out of like things and like sprayed us when we went in water and like made us look like we were going downhill.
Smelled like fire.
Smelled like fire. Were there pictures? That was the ride we just did. That was so fun. Ooh, look, it does a lot. I really want to go on this. Guys, look, I got ears. They're so cute. There's Lotte Tower. That's where we're gonna go. It's like a fairy tale. Look, she bought it with 4 straws. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Steph.
Come out though.
Oh, does it? Oh, no,
well.
we're struggling. This is literally our dumb bitch juice we're drinking. Guys, that was insane. ended. Oh, we have to do that again.
We're gonna do that again before we leave.
We have to. That was so fucking funny. Oh my god.
And then you're having fun, and then all of a sudden,
Boom. Oh, that dropped my stomach more than anything. Oh my god. We were. I was not expecting it to be that bad. Ooh, this is cool. I hope it's like Pirates of the Caribbean.
that'd be so cool.
Alright. We're on the Sinbad ride. I hope this is actually fun.
Yeah, you can hear waterfalls, so it might be.
Ooh, yes. Oh, I feel like we're gonna drop. Oh, that was fun! I wasn't expecting that! Yeah, that was You cuties! Alright, we just finished. That was really fun. I had a really good time. Like, I'm really happy right now. I got my ears. We went on the swings. We didn't ride the roller coaster because it was closed, but next time. And we're gonna go eat at a Mexican restaurant, I think, and get some margaritas because we're illegal. And then we're gonna go to Lotte Tower, which is right over there, which is so cool, and it's one of the coolest towers I've seen. Oh my god, I'm out of focus. My camera hates me. Okay, well, you're just gonna have to be out of focus, but, and then we're gonna go to the top of the tower and explore, and yeah, then we're gonna start classes tomorrow. Ah. I'm so excited. Yes. Ooh, yes.
Oscar never straw. She gave us one.
Yeah.
I'm stupid.
Oh, I'm so excited. Double fisting the devices here. Look how good that looks. I destroyed that meal.
I mean, we destroyed everything.
We really did, we really did. The dumb bitch juice is gone. Whoa, it's so pretty.
My head is just lit up.
No?
I don't think so.
You don't think it's for pride?
No.
Aw, that's sad.
Not there yet.
I'm gonna pretend it's for pride. Hey everyone. So, the lighting in the storm is horrible, and I'm gonna try to get new lights. We just came back from Lotte World, which was super fun, and it wasn't actually that crowded, which was really nice because we were going on a Monday. But some of the rides we had to wait like pretty long for, and some of the rides were closed, which was kind of sad, like the roller coaster, which I really wanted to go on. But it was a lot of fun. We spent all day there, and then we went to the Lotte World Tower in the mall. And we were gonna go up in the tower, but it was like pretty expensive, like $25. And we wanted to go at a time when we were like not super tired and we could actually like explore up there and use the lounge and like stay. And we wanna go so we can stay to watch like sunset turn into nighttime, because the nighttime is supposed to be really fun. And I still have my ears on. I wore them the entire day, even on the subway, even in the restaurant that we went to after. Got some weird looks, but you know what? I kind of just like them a lot. So I kept them on and we had a blast. It was really fun. We were just laughing the entire time, and I just did a lot of stupid stuff, and I messed up and I dropped my ice down my shirt. I tripped, almost fell into a security guard, almost walked into a door, like just, it's a time. I don't know. I've made some really good friends here, and it's really fun to hang out with them, like really fun to hang out with them, and we kind of are just like super goofy, which is exactly what I need because I'm always so stressed and I take a lot of things way too seriously, which is funny because the girls here are like, Sienna, you're normally serious, like are you kidding me? Because I'm like always the one like cracking jokes and like making fun of everyone, like making fun of myself, and like I don't know, it's just been so great to just laugh and have so much fun with people. And classes starts tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. But thanks for coming around Seoul with me this weekend, and I hope I got to show you a little bit of what I like to do. And I will be vlogging more of class and like a typical day here once classes actually start and I actually have responsibilities and work. So look forward to that. I love you all. You guys have been so supportive recently of the videos that I've been putting out and just everything, and I'm really trying to balance it all and be a lot more consistent. And I don't know, just seeing how much you guys care and like how long you've been with me, like in the comments, like it's only been like 6-7 months really since I've really started posting videos, and some of you have been with me since the very beginning, since before that when I only had the 1 or the 2 posted and I like didn't update anything. So thank you.